Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. Very important this time out, especially with Facebook, Meta, Instagram, whatever you want to call them, canceling people's accounts for particularly absolutely no reason. It's happening all over the place. So this particular video, I want you to learn how to back up your accounts, all your major social media accounts. I would do that at least, say, maybe once a month, once every couple months, depending on how much you're posting on all of them. So let's get to it, and let's go through each major social media account, and let's back those suckers up. So if they happen to be canceled, especially in Facebook, especially in Instagram's case, YouTube, if you got a shitload of videos on YouTube, definitely like myself. So let's get to it. All right, we'll start out with YouTube. I got a lot of videos on here. I think I have like 450 plus videos on here. So you don't really go to Studio like you may think. You actually go to, and I'll put this link down in the description. You're simply going to go to this takeout google.com. So if you just hit that link, it's going to take you right here. You're going to manage your exports. So here's all your Google information. I mean, this is not just for YouTube. It's for anything. So if you scroll like 9 million miles down to the bottom, I don't know why they put YouTube in the bottom. It's like one of the most important. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So we can deselect all. All right, and then once my hand and my mouse decides to work, we'll go down here. We'll click on this, watch and search history, videos, comments, and other content you've created on YouTube and YouTube videos. Watch and search. So let's go next step. Export once. Okay, export every 2 months for 1 year. That's probably a good idea. I mean, this is totally up to you. I'm going to stick to zip. File size. Damned if I know. So I think it's going to build multiple files. Send download link to email. That's create, add drive, OneDrive. Okay, so you can add a drive if you want. I'll just get the link from in my email. File size will go 2 gig, I guess. So let's create export. And then it says here, Google is creating a copy of files from YouTube and YouTube Music. This process can take a long time, especially obviously if you have a lot of files and they're huge files. You know, if you've got 450 videos like myself, all in HD, then it's going to take possibly hours or days to complete. That would be best if you wanted to back up and download your channel. If for a reason or whatever reason you want to download someone else's channel, there's products like this, and I'll put this down in the description as well. This is a good product that you can download. It's not going to put any crap on your computer that you don't want. You need a license in order to download more than 5 videos. So keep that in mind. And there's other programs like this. You just have to go out and search for them. But this is a good one if you want to download someone else's content, someone else's channel. Same thing with that same thought. I mean, if you want to do individual videos from someone else's channel, I mean, even your own channel, right? You can just go to these. I put YouTube to MP4 in my YouTube description or search. Excuse me. And I come up with these, and I use a lot of videos for, like, if I'm doing like a little documentary or a little opinion piece of mine, and I want to use little clips from other people's videos, I'll go ahead and let me grab someone's video here. It doesn't really matter which one. I'll go ahead and use this, and there's a lot of them out there. I don't necessarily use this one, but let's see what happens here. And there you go. You can pick what you want. See, this one doesn't let you do 1080p. You need to upgrade, but there's other ones that will do 1080p for no cost. So maybe not necessarily use this one. This is just for example. So we'll do 720p, and there you go. It downloads, and then you can use it clips in your file. So that's that. Let's head over to Meta and Facebook and the Instagram cracker and take a look at that and download that stuff. All right, so here's my YouTube channel, and let's get in. What we want to do is go to settings and privacy. We want to go to settings. And let me see, I think we want to go to account settings, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to privacy. Okay. And then your Facebook information. Okay. And then here we go. Download your profile information. All right. View. All right. And then I'd stick to HTML. If you know what JSON is, I mean, go for it. But I'd stick to HTML. I do high quality date range. I would do all unless you've backed it up before and don't necessarily need all. So this is my second Facebook account. I will never trust Meta or Facebook ever again for my stuff. I hardly post on there anymore. I'm just on here for friends to talk to them and see what they're up to. That's about it. I'll post some videos for my other YouTube channels, but Meta, Facebook just arbitrarily just decided to cancel my account one day for no particular reason, for nothing that I did. And there's other videos out there. I'm not going to go through it and rehash everything. There's other videos that I've made that explaining the whole situation, and it's happened to multiple people. So the reason I'm telling you this is please, please, please back up your Facebook information on a regular basis. So we'll request everything is checked, or obviously you can check what you want. I mean, it's all personal preference, right? And so we'll start the download is created. So you can go back later and see if it's done. Give it like a day, and then you can go into available files. I mean, it depends on the size of your Facebook. If you've been around for a decade plus, give it a day and come back, and then this is where you can download your file from. It will appear right here. I'll give you the option to download. Okay, let's go to the Instagram cracker. Okay, and here is cover up the dildo. It's like National Fetish Day or whatever today. I made a video on it, so that's either here nor there. Go to Instagram and go to your settings, and let's see here. It should be privacy and security. All right, hit your privacy and security there. Scroll down a bit and request download. Again, I would recommend HTML. Hit next. All right, it's asking for your password. All right, download. As we start creating a file on your information, we'll email the link to you. Okay, perfect. All right, so that one was pretty easy. So just as a heads up before we go to the next one, Meta owns Instagram. If Facebook decides to delete your Facebook account, they're going to delete your Instagram account as well. So make sure you back both those up on a regular basis. Back everything up on a regular basis, but especially those two, because Meta is a bunch of knuckleheads. All right, we can knock these other ones out pretty quick. And you're going to sense a pattern here in just a moment. So this is Pinterest. We'll go to settings. So privacy and data. And there we go right there. Request your data. So download data. Latest data request created today. Progress, please wait to see if you received an email. So again, it's going to send you an email on that one. Let's go over to the Twitster. And we want to go more. Settings and support. Settings and privacy, I do believe. All right. Download and archive your data. It wants your password, lovers. All right. Send a code. Oh boy. All right. It's going to send a code to my phone. So if you happen to have an Android phone, I'm not sure if this works for iPhone or not, but you can download this program and link it to your phone. This is kind of like a side tutorial, I guess. Where the hell is my phone? And then eventually it will refresh and I can get the code. Well, it's usually not that slow, but let me get the code here on my phone. Oh, there it is right there. All right, so we'll grab the code. Come on now. Cooperate here. All right, code. And I'll put that in there. Okay, and Twitter data request archive right here. Let you know when your data is ready to download. So I'm assuming they'll give you it's going to be in the form of a zip file. If you have indicators up or, the This is what happens when you get old. You can't remember shit. It will pop up in the on your screen, or it will email you. Not indications. What's it called? Notifications. Notifications. All right, let's go to TikTok. Don't get old. Don't get old. Okay, so we're going to go to settings. And then probably private. Oh, okay, it's right here. You don't have to. So just go to settings, download your data, and request data. Oh, I see. Okay. Request data. All right, and then why is it in text format? I'm interested. Is it going to download? All right, that doesn't matter. So, yep, just wait. And I'm assuming, once again, you'll get an email or some type of notification pop up if you have notifications set for TikTok on your computer. Okay, gals and guys, I mean, for other social media, what else is out there off the top of my head? Tumblr, I guess. Just go to settings, I'm assuming. And there should be some type of link if you can download the data. What other social media is there out there? I don't know. That's the top stuff. Anyways, guys and gals, obviously I'm very punchy and very tired, just to the fact that I just woke up. So sorry for the low energy on this. Next video will be high energy, I promise. So, gals and guys, if you could just subscribe, I would appreciate it. And please if you like this twice if you absolutely hated it. And share this with other people who should be backing up their data, and hit the bell for updates. And I will catch you later. Goodbye. Bye.